Now to start off with our Kwanzaa candle, let's begin by making the base. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to come straight across. Next, I'm going to draw a nice big smiley face shape to kind of round out the base. I'm going to make another line that just goes right across here for a little bit of detail. Let's make a line that's going to come down. We're going to bring this over and then up. Next, let's curve this line down, and then let's curve this line down. We're going to bring this line over, and then we're going to bring this line over. Then let's go up and down. Then I like to make a line right across the bottom of each one for some detail. Now let's draw the candles. So we're going to put 7 candles on here. So first we're going to make one in the middle. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over. And then we're going to come down. That's going to be the tallest of our candles. Next, let's put another one here. We're going to go up. We're going to go over and down. We'll do that same thing here. Just go up, over, and down. And then we'll put that third one over here. Up, over, and down. Trying to keep them all about the same size. We'll do that same thing on this side. We're going to come up, over, and down. We'll go up, over, and down. And then finally this last one. Up, over, and then down. Then I like to put these little wiggly lines on each one, making them all look a little different. And this is just going to help it kind of look like the wax is melting on there. And we're just going to do that on each one. Next, let's put the flame on each one. So I'm just going to make a little line. It's just going to curve up with a squiggle, and then it's going to come down. I'm going to do that on each one, and we can make each one look a little bit different, just to make it kind of look a little bit more realistic on here. Next, let's just make this kind of cartoony, and we'll put a little face on here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye right here. We'll put a little dot inside each one for the pupils. We'll make a line across and a line that comes down and up for the mouth. A little curve in there for the tongue, just to make a little bit of detail on there. Now, one more thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little line right across here. And then I'm going to put some little zigzag lines going right across, just for a little bit of detail on our Kwanzaa Kinara. And there you go. There is your drawing of a kind of cartoon Kwanzaa Kinara. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.